Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Super happy you're here. We're kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get a little bit of life in there, and you get a lot of PA weather. Just Wyatt joining me. He's the white puppy dog. I'm Laura if you're new. If you see a tan puppy dog, that's Cena, and the kitty is Harvey. And we sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So it is Sunday morning when we're kicking this off, and it is a very sunny, beautiful day. I walked outside to film outside and a huge gust of wind hit me, and I realized it looks gorgeous out there and the temperature is nice. It's going to be 74 today and sunny, but the wind was so blustery, it was no way I could film out there. So unfortunately, we're inside. I think this is probably what's going to be happening here for the next many months probably, but I'll try to get out there as often as I can until the snow starts to fall. Let's see, went with the curly hair again today. So I had gotten my hair done yesterday. You saw the end of last video, and I basically just sprayed it, scrunched it, diffused it. Took me 5 minutes, and this is what it looks like. So this is my hair au naturel pretty much, minus the color, of course, is not natural, but the curl is natural. So I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. I haven't decided. It's, you know, when you see yourself, you have to get used to something, decide if you like it or not. So that's why I'm going to try it here for a little bit. But I have to travel this week for work, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I want to do this for work or not. So let me know what you think. If I should keep it or if I should just try it once in a while. We'll see how it goes. And for outfit of the day today, I decided that since it was sunny and warm and looked nice outside, I would squeeze in one more summer-ish dress, but I went with denim because I figured you could carry this into the fall really nicely. I think this dress would be really cute with like cowboy boots and a cute little belt too and a moto. So you might see this one again if the temperatures don't get too cool. But this is a cut from the cloth dress in this really great denim with the smocking top. Got this in a Wantable. Paired it with this really nice Steve Madden, just little holey sweater over top because I do have a few errands to run, so I thought it might be chilly. And not ready to close up the toes just yet, so put on my Dolce Vita slides. I mean, it's 74 and sunny, right? And for jewelry, I have on an Ana Luisa necklace. I just put in gold hoops. I didn't put in any other jewelry because I didn't want to snag the sweater, so that's pretty much it then. Hope your week starts off really well, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. It is towards the end of the day. I had a super busy day. I so prefer to do these in the morning, but it's now almost 5 o'clock and I still have one more meeting in the day, and I knew if I didn't get this one in, I would forget. I still have to pack. I'm leaving town, going to work tomorrow, and be gone till Friday, so we got to get it done, huh, Wyatt? Wyatt came up to join me. Zena's asleep. Harvey's asleep. It is raining and cold today. So after yesterday was beautiful, got up to 70. Today, a high of 59, but it's only 52 right now because it's been raining and just feels uber fallish. So for my outfit today, I am dressed for fall. I have on Pistola denim I got at a boutique. I have on a Z Supply cardigan that I got in a JB Stylebox. You know I have one of my amazing Evereve bralettes on underneath here because it goes so well. Threw on, toes are still out. These are Dolce Vita sandals from a Trendsend. And then I have my necklace that I got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale and just gold hoops. And that is my outfit today. All right, so I will see you guys very bright and early in the morning tomorrow because I have to get out by 5 a.m. And I hope you're having an amazing start to your week. Today, my Wantable posted. I need to tell you about my Wantable. It was such a good one, right? I loved it. What did I keep from that? I grabbed the 5. Okay, I kept the cardigan. You guys are saying I didn't share with you. So I'm not sure what happened there, but I did film it. Maybe it didn't make it into the video. I haven't had time to troubleshoot that one, but I did keep this cardigan. You will see it in a what I wore. I did, of course, keep this all day knit. Love the color blocking. I kept, of course, you had no doubt, the jacket. Loved it. It was long. This was so adorable. Love it. And then I kept the Dear John sweater because I thought that was so easy to layer with, wear underneath things for it to be a little bit warmer. And then I did keep the hidden denim with the knee holes. That's everything. You're all caught up. Okay. I got to get back to work. Hope you're doing amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It is so early in the morning. It's not even 5 a.m. yet. I got to get going, so we're going to do this quickly. I have on Pistola denim from a Stitch Fix. I have on a Michael Stars tee from and this is a 3/4 sleeve tee from a Front Door Fashion. Paired it with this Avec jacket from my Armoire. I love this jacket. I think I'm going to have to keep it. I have on a belt from a Trendsend, and then my shoes that are Lucky brand. I've had these for years and I love them. So they have that open toe. And for jewelry, I put on a necklace from Luisa, just my gold hoops, my normal bracelet stack you're used to seeing, and I'm off. Hope your week's going fabulous, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday. Yes, I had to think about it. It is Wednesday. We made it to hump day. And it's going to be a high of 55 today. It's starting out at 38. Cold, right? And for my outfit today, I have on Page denim from Anthropologie, my Anthropologie vest. You may remember these two pieces from the haul. I did put a Nikibiki tank on underneath here just so it wasn't too low for work. And then threw on my Skies Are Blue leather jacket from, or faux leather from Stitch Fix. And I love these shoes so much. These are from Dolce Vita. I think I got these at Nordstrom. Aren't they adorable? Little slip-ons. For jewelry, same as yesterday. So I have on my bracelet stack, my Aunt Luisa necklace, hoop earrings, and I'm ready to go. Hope your week is going amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is about 6:30 in the morning. The temperature is 35. It's getting up to 59 today. And my Armoire posted yesterday. It was such a good one, probably because I picked all the pieces, so I loved it. So many jackets, right? What do you think the keepers were from that? Should I actually just splurge and keep something? I really enjoyed it. So I wore that jacket Tuesday from that haul and loved it. And I got a lot of compliments on it. For today, I don't know. I was having a tough time getting ready. Luckily, I throw an extra outfit so I can pull outfits for parts, which I do frequently. So my original outfit I didn't love. And instead, I have on Pistola denim from Nordstrom, a White House Black Market Forme tee. This one is a short sleeve one, or elbow sleeve, I should say. Threw on an Evereve blazer that I got, I think, 2 winters ago. Love this. And then for shoes, I put on Jeffrey Campbell. I love these. So comfy. And then the same jewelry, my Ana Luisa necklace, hoop earrings, and my bracelet stack. And I am off. Hope your week is going great, and we'll see you tomorrow for Happy Dance. Hey everybody, guess what day it is? It's Friday. We made it to Friday. Mwah. Giving Wyatt kisses. He's always giving the kisses, huh, buddy? How's everybody on this Friday? It is sunny here. It's supposed to get up in the 60s. It is 59, so it's getting close at lunchtime. And the sun is shining, and there's no clouds. Zena's snoring. Harvey's in his bed. And Wyatt's the only one that followed me upstairs to do Happy Dance. Didn't you, buddy? Huh. He's a good boy, although he ate a bunch of cat food today, so I'm a little worried about his tummy. I always have to remember to pick it up because he thinks it's like the best thing he's ever had. Let's see, for outfit of the day today, I have on this awesome jacket from my Armoire. You'll remember, I love it. So cute. Put on a Free People tank underneath it, and Pistola denim I got from, both of those pieces I got from Nordstrom. And then my shoes, because the toes are still out because the sun is shining, are for Dolce Vita, and they came in a Stitch Fix. I have on an Ana Luisa necklace, hoop earrings. I think these were from Rocksbox. And then my bracelet stack. I have my Ana Luisa bangle on here. It's so cute, right? And that's my outfit today. Hope you're doing amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow for our last outfit this week. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. The sun is shining. It is 37 degrees this morning, so frost everywhere. But it's supposed to get up to 70 and be all sun today. So believe it or not, my friend and I are going to try to have one last day in the pool. It closes on Monday, so this is my last chance. But as a typical PA fall day, it's going to be winter in the early morning. It's going to be fall in the mid-morning. It's going to be summer in the day, probably afternoon. And then by 5 o'clock, it'll be back to fall, and then back to winter at night. So for breakfast, I put on a Lover Vet denim from a Wantable, paired it with a Pistola top, also from a Wantable, threw on this Thread and Supply, I think that's what it is. Let me confirm for you. Yeah, Thread and Supply vest that I got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And then I put on a belt from a Trendsend. And my shoes are also from a Trendsend. These are Dolce Vita. I've had these for years. Love it when I get these out. And my bracelet stack is also from a Trendsend. And then I just put on gold hoops again, and I'm ready to go. My video today is loft. So good. Check out those loft pieces. Amazing. And let me know what you think. Ready with everything you need for fall to the holiday. And that's a wrap. So I will list all my outfits down below for you. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll put all the links for the boxes. And let me know your very favorite. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. This was so much fun. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.